Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling picture-in-picture permissions, open settings and go straight to apps, special app access, then picture-in-picture. Turn PyP on for Chrome or your Realme browser and for YouTube if present, because Android must grant the window permission. Once done, make sure your browser and YouTube app are updated to the latest version so the feature behaves predictably. This avoids permission conflicts and ensures the browser can create the floating window that YouTube will play. You'll use the browser workaround since YouTube app PyP may be restricted. Open YouTube in Chrome or Realme browser, switch to desktop site from the browser menu so the page behaves like on a PC, then start the video. You might need to tap play again after switching to desktop mode. Now press home, because the browser has PyP permission and desktop mode keeps the player active. Android will create a floating window. This is the reliable way on many Realme phones. To finish, position and resize the PyP window by dragging or using pinch gestures so it doesn't block controls you need. If PyP does not appear, clear the browser cache, force stop the browser, and toggle the PyP permission off and on. This resets behavior. If problems continue, reboot your Realme and check for system updates. Sometimes vendor patches change PyP behavior. That single troubleshooting tip, toggle permission and reboot, solves most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.